Everyone, today I will tell you about the Star Cement buyback. Star Cement has invented its company for the cement purposes to build houses and buildings in the market. So they have buyback its shares. So I will tell you about the buyback of shares in the market, how they have invested in the buyback criteria, and how you can take part in the buyback. First of all, I would like to tell about the Star Cement Limited. It is the largest cement manufacturer in northern East India. The plant is spread across 200 hectares of land in the idyllic town of Limbershon and a strategic location at Meghalaya that ensures easily availability of high grade limestones. The brand Star Cement has established itself if as the most accredited brand of the region on ground of both quality and fair pricing. Star Cement Limited is one of the most profitable cement manufacturing in northeast India. Now about the product. Star Cement's product range including ordinary Portland cements and Portland Polanzo cements, Portland slang cements, anti-rust cements in line with evolving the customer's need. Penetrations about the Star Cement brand. Star Cement is one of the most largest in the northern east region. Its output is marketed through a network of over 6,000 dealers and retailers across the northeast, resulting in a largest market share in the Northern East Company. Star Cement also has a network of over 6,000 dealers and retailers across West Bengal and Bihar. Now the plant of the Star Cement 1.0 MTPA integrated cement at Meghalaya, approximately to a key raw material reserves of limestone, coal and shale. The company also added 0.67 MTPA cement until Meghalaya, 2. MTPA cement until Sonapur and 2 grinding unit in West Bengal with a total capacity of 0.67 MTPA. Pride. Star Cement was recognized by the Meghalaya state government for its pioneering cement plants on backward area of limestone. The company is an ISO 9001 to 2008. Now the buyback offer deal for of the Star Cement. First of all, I would like to tell you that buyback type is tender offer and buyback record date is August 26, 2021. Buyback offer amount is 123 crores. Date